Okay, hello everyone, thank you for watching. In this video, I will demonstrate the basic usage of MongoDB Compass. First, we click Add New Connection, and then we keep all the default settings, and then click Save and Connect. Next, we need to create a new database. So here we enter a database name and a collection name. So after clicking create, the database is now set up, but it's still empty, so we need to import data. So choose import data and select a JSON file that I prepared earlier. Then click the import, and now all the data has been imported into the database. And this dataset contains information about 10 restaurants, including fields like name, cuisine type, rating, and so on. Okay, now I will demonstrate some basic operations. The first operation is insert. So we click Add Data and Insert Document. Here we can manually enter a new record. For example, I want to add a new restaurant and its cuisine is Chinese food and its rating is 4.7. Okay, after typing, we can see that the new restaurant has been successfully added to the database. And the second operation is query. So, for example, I want to find a restaurant with a rating greater than 4.6. So I enter the condition in the filter box and then click the find. So we can see that Compass shows all the restaurants with a rating higher than 4.6. And the third operation is update. For example, I want to update the rating of the new restaurants we just inserted. So first, we have to find the record. Click the find and then click update. So here we can change the rating to 4.9. Then we reset and we can see that the rating has been successfully updated. And the fourth operation is delete. We can delete all the data, and or we can delete based on a condition. So we can delete one document. Okay, then reset. So we can see that the new restaurant is now removed from the database. The fifth operation is aggregation pipeline. We click aggregation and here we can type our pipeline code. And for example, I want to group by cuisine and calculate the average rating and sort the result. Okay, so here are all the codes. And we can click run to run the codes. And after running the codes, we can see that Compass returns all the aggregated result. And the last operation is index. First, we run a query and click explain. We can see the runtime of scanning the whole collection. So to optimize the query, we create the index. So click the indexes and we select a field and choose ascending or descending. Okay, after creating the index, we can run the same query and check explain again. Now we can see that the query uses index. Because my dataset is small, so the runtime doesn't change much. But on larger datasets, the performance improvement is very obvious. And we could also use MongoDB shell, but Compass gives us a clear visual interface. So I choose to use MongoDB Compass. So thank you for watching.